This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lorraine Burns. Nestled in the highly sought-after Sequoyah Hills neighborhood, this inviting 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is a rare find. Step inside to discover an open-concept floor plan with a generous primary bedroom and bath on the main level, an airy great room, a spacious kitchen, and a separate formal dining room. Upstairs you will find a versatile office space that could easily be converted to a 4th bedroom, along with 2 additional bedrooms and bathrooms. A stunning patio ideal for outdoor gatherings and a private fenced backyard make this home a private sanctuary. Ample storage throughout. Conveniently located near Sequoyah Elementary, Cherokee Boulevard, shopping, dining, and more, this home truly has it all. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Open house Sunday 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorraine Burns at 865-693-1111.